man. Don't be scared, man. Somebody.
Hey, Aretha Franklin, you okay back there?
He deformed me. He beat my ass and put me in POW camp with the devil for 40-something years. I'm Jesus, I'm not lying to you.
White. He said his wife. He said his wife told
He put me in POW camp for 40-something years. His dad beat me.
Wendy Houston. Sit down and enjoy the ride,
I
okay?
became a gangbanger. And woke up all the gangsters.
Hey, Wendy.
Stop the gang.
Wendy.
The disciple.
Okay, don't get excited there, Wendy Houston. Just sit down.
Okay, she know where she going.
They got the air roping from the disciples in Chicago. And they're the biggest gang in history. Yeah, because the devil stole me, I had to do something. And I'm carrying one shoe in the bag. Because he bit my toe and now he trying to tear my ass up. We in the last hour.
Hey, Wendy Houston, we're not supposed to be breathing on the bus, remember? I don't want you to fog up my windows here.
Okay, thank you. We didn't get to some shit else that did we?
Not yet, not yet.
I think you
It
did.
can't come soon enough, believe me.
Yeah, I did. I went to Milwaukee. I went to Chicopee. I went to Valencia College. I went to Scotland University. I have 8 doctor degrees before I'm 5 years old.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Jesus.
You had 8 degrees before you were 5 years old?
Yes, I did. And Mr. Cricket used to get on the bus and say, put on gas, haul ass. And I tell him, you the devil.
Okay. Just sit down and relax, okay? Don't get excited.
He took me to POW camp for 40-something years in Chicago.
Drink some iced tea.
One of the people on the bus that you hold on to? She said, oh, really?
Yeah, it's not a game. I just mention his name. Just let me say it. Never say his name. Never be funny, goddamn game. That little demon he had with him, Charlotte, and he picked up another demon, Venus, and then that other little demon he had with him, Yvonne. It would never be funny again. Because I went to save that woman that he went to rape called Fanny. And then he put her down as my mother. And he beat up everybody in Chicago. They killed all those police. That's why I never liked police. Because they couldn't save me. What he did to me. And then you got another little demon that's white. One tall, one short. I never know where he came from, but he running with me on sleds and shit. Yeah, that shit is real.
YouTube.
I told father to come down to visit me as Santa Claus. Who would tell their father to come down and visit Santa Claus, the person they hate? Come down to Kringles. Kringles and Santa Claus, they're all in Wonderland. Did you put me on the right planet? Fuck me around and zigzag zone. Because this time is up. And told my whole body off so everybody can laugh. The last time I looked like myself a little bit when I lost weight, I left for Massachusetts in 2006. When I came down here, the man offered me a job right away in Kissimmee at the karaoke bar on 535. He said, I like you, you dance very well. Come down to the audition. That bitch with the tear on my toes, tear my shoulders on, tear everything up. I ain't nobody at all. I tell you, I was a 36 down. That motherfucker, so he jumped off my body in the show and started trying to dance with me. People say, who the hell is that clap? And then he stole my vehicle. Well, I was driving a Pacific 2070. And it was 2007. The motherfucker driver quit me. Then I went to every car I got, he stole it. And then underneath the car driving it for him. So I don't want to drive no more. If I drive, you will get in trouble. That's why I was ticketed so much.
Yeah.
Because when I'm driving the car, Satan will jump under everybody's wheel and you can see his legs running underneath the car. I told y'all something, that is not a game. Anybody got signed up, I won't listen to them. They false. This is the real shit. I am a lamb of God, and I am just a best girl.
Michigan Street
And never because a lot of people gonna die. It's not funny at all. Father said I'll be friends. Before I wrote that book, he's a friend of mine. And the second book, he sings to me that never got published. It probably got published in the spirit, but it didn't get published in the Mortal Being, which I wrote.
Coming up to the juvenile court. The juvenile court.
They don't adhere to who God is. The woman said, you didn't know how arrived she was. I had blisters all over my ass, and the woman said, I hate woman. And if you was a woman. I'm at the well and I just got tested. I'm in pain all over. I'm only for men, she said. She said you'd be a woman and then you know. But she never lied. I know it all. When I get there, that's why I dress unisex. I dress as a man and I dress as woman. I'm not down, but I know.
It ain't nothing like public transportation, man. I'm telling you.
And I never really liked to fight female. But I had to say that prayer so I can, be a whole. Only fight men is woman. And they never saying why the woman beating their ass.
We are now
Then I had to break it down, but you shoot me so long until I just totally clean. Well, I'm a whole woman. When I'm a whole
All right, man.
do I
Pray
become
for us, bro.
responsible? And my phone will be breaking out. Because I had to experience being a woman. And then the bitch in the end said I cheated. Said I fucking cheated. Just like this right here. A woman. Just when somebody push you. They had to break me down. For many years, because I don't want to.
You see all that shit flying?
Yeah, I'm gonna need you to say what you got. Now I want to record.
Joy in
Need my number, dog.
See that hand? He cut my whole fucking.
How long you got?
I tell you, I ain't got no business.
I got 8.
Yeah, I know.
Even as a woman, I would get him to beat your ass. So he cut my shoulders off, and he cut my wrist, and he cut my fingers so they don't act right.
This is as bad as I've seen it so far. Nah, except one other.
He took my hair, that's orange
I think she about done.